Hello students, today we are going to cover endoplasmic reticulum, that is a cell organelle found inside the cytoplasm of the cell. So let's begin. First make the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is found around the nucleus. Suppose this is nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubules or channels it is found all around the nucleus. So endoplasmic reticulum, this is the nucleus, and endoplasmic reticulum found inside the all around the nucleus. And if a spherical small structure found on the endoplasmic reticulum, this is ribosomes, and because of this it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is called rough endoplasmic. And when these ribosomes remain absent, it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So let us begin the explanation of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, that is a very important cell organelle in short we can say it ER. It is found in both plant and animal cell. Endoplasmic reticulum are found in both plant and animal cell. It was discovered by Porter So endoplasmic reticulum is an important part of the cell which is found all around the nucleus. Its one end is attached to the nuclear envelope, while its another end is attached with the plasma membrane. It is also functions as a cytoplasmic framework because it gives a framework. Now let's endoplasmic reticulum, it is found as a network of channels and tubules. It exists in three forms. It exists in three forms. This type of structure is called cisternae. It is membrane enclosed it is called cisternae. Also this endoplasmic reticulum forms as circular or triangular structure. These are called vesicles. Vesicles are filled with materials like lipids and proteins, and that are transported to the different targets. And also these are exist as tubules. This structure is called tubules. So endoplasmic reticulum can exist in three forms, that is cisternae, the membrane enclosed sacs, and this is vesicles, and this is tubules. Now the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Function of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. When the ribosomes are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, while when ribosomes are absent on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, here ribosomes are present. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, here ribosomes are absent. Again, what is the function of this? This synthesize proteins. Synthesize proteins for the cells. Synthesize proteins for the cells. While smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize lipids, fats and glycogen for the cells. Glycogen for the cells. So, smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipid, glycogen and fat, while rough endoplasmic reticulum that have ribosomes synthesizes proteins for the cells. Now, the function of endoplasmic reticulum, first of it functions as it gives a cytoplasmic framework. It gives a cytoplasmic framework and also the lipids and proteins synthesize cell membrane and this process is called membrane biogenesis. So, membrane biogenesis is the process by which lipid and proteins collectively forms cell membrane. So, it is a very important function of the endoplasmic reticulum that plasma membrane are synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum. Also, this lipids and proteins combines to work as enzymes and hormones. Also, this lipids and proteins are sent to the cells as per their need. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the detoxification of liver. What is detoxification? Removal of waste or poisonous materials from the liver is called detoxification of liver, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum performs this function. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum also provide area for the biological process. Biological process of cells. So, in this way we saw the endoplasmic reticulum that is found all around the nucleus is a very important part as it produces proteins and lipids for the cells. It can be found in three forms, that is cisternae, that is a membrane bound sacs. This is a spherical and triangular form of vesicles. Inside this, lipid or proteins are transported to the target parts or cells, and this is also found in the form of tubules. Now the function of endoplasmic reticulum is that it provides a framework like skeleton. It provides framework to the cytoplasm, and lipids and proteins synthesize cell membrane. Lipids and proteins work as enzymes and hormones in various reactions. Lipids and proteins are sent to the cells as per their need, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the detoxification of liver also, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum provides area for biological process of cells also. That is all for today. Goodbye.